Dear my wonderful friends, it's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, I don't want to see a picture right there. I see that you there. Him is a Trinidad artist, Benjal, we're dead at Trinidad. Me I go tell you about him. But before me tell you about him, I want you to watch this clip. A youth were dead Friday. Police find him body a stink in a car at St. Lucia. Now tell you now which blood clot pussy do that. Let's go.
Earlier this morning, the police received information of a foul odor stemming from a motor vehicle parked along the airport fence at VG. Upon arrival, the officers noticed the lifeless body of a male individual in that vehicle. Upon further investigation, they noticed that the body had apparent gunshot wounds to the torso of that individual. So as of now, we've deemed it a homicide.
Police identified the victim as 33-year-old Darrell Craig Deterville of Pavie, Castries.
Now, you see that youth here? Live with him granny. And you see the pussy we kill him, the APPOSUM, Teletubby. Me I go talk about that too. But before me go to talk about Teletubby, pussy, me get your video. Watch this.
Never miss the bag.
Never miss the bag.
Not war. Look that we study, not war.
Yeah, the
money.
The
We have no gang leaders.
The bag.
Yeah, the
Pussy wall, Shevon Joseph, Teletubby, APPOSUM, yo. Pussy, me get your video and me get your blood clot file. You see when me done with you, I run where you have to go blood clot runway. From blood clot St. Lucia. And you can't go to Trinidad. Pussy, if you go to Trinidad, the man them a look for you. Look on that. You see the man when named Damian Harris? And you kill the blood clot man. And the man I want Trini. And you kill him for blood clot drugs and money. So you're a big pussy. Let me tell you something. You see the man them at Trinidad, them a wait for you. You see the artist when named Benjai, the man come on Facebook, you know, and make a plea to the blood clot police them. But the police them now do not about it. Me I go do something about you. Pussy wall. Pussy, like me say, I run you go runway. You better run go Martinique. Now, you see the other scarecrow where your blood clot hang with, the one where them call name sick bad. Pussy, you think you can run go England? A Scotland Yard me a set on your bumbo clot. Big pussy. Sick bad, you're a big pussy. When the police them grab you and slam you in the blood clot jeep with the video circulate, what make you never shoot one of them police there? You only have strength for poor people. You understand? And that bring me to the next blood clot thing when me I talk about uno. Pussy. Pussy wall. Sick bad. You and Teletubby. Uno only have strength for unsuspecting victims. Like that youth here. Now, them killer youth here, you know. For blood clot weed, you know. And that youth here live with them grandmother, you know. The man mother dead. And him do little juggling to take care of him bumbo clot granny. And them two blood clot pussy here. Kill the youth, Friday gone, it dep on the news. And them do it. Now, St. Lucia police act like them can't solve the blood clot crime. Oh, me countryman can't solve the crime. I mean I come from blood clot St. Lucia. You understand? And them killer youth here, you know. And that one here really hurt me. Cause like me say, the youth is a little hustler. He might take care of him granny. His mother blood clot dead. How me know that? Listen to the blood clot news clip. Everybody know. And the pussy them kill him dog. Yo, we not gonna run away from blood clot St. Lucia. I mean I tell you something about you. You see you Teletubby? You think you can run guy your blood clot mother yard? No, scammer boy, pussy wall. Yo, you think you can go your mother house up a rock all. Eh? Cause you remember, you know, you go up there for your youth, and you know see the youth, and you shoot the youth mother and kill her up a rock all, and your blood clot mother live down the road. You see your blood clot bottom feeder, eh? Your mother live down the road, and you kill the man mother a rock all, dog. Everybody know how you do it. I want to know how you can't go blood clot jail. Me I go touch upon that in a minute. But yo, I want to tell you, you see Capri State, the people them got foreign and left them house here for watch and you talk about your blood clot on it. You think you can go up there go hide pussy? You have to run away from blood clot St. Lucia. You understand? Me I go make your blood clot run away. You see you and blood clot scarecrow. Wanna do some things with me, countryman, a bomber clot, like me I tell you the honest truth. And you see for that, wanna have to go run away from blood clot St. Lucia. Pussy, me I tell you something, the man them up a grocery, them run away from up there, and you can't blood clot go back up there. So, me I make you know that. You see me countryman, I gonna make you and Scarecrow run away from St. Lucia. Now, you see them two pussy here, them a get away from crime. And me I tell you why. When you look on a picture here, now, you see why them pussy here get away. You see the man there, him a the AG, and him a work with them. Now, you have another one, same picture come up right here, so. And you see him is a pathologist, you know. The pussy here is a pathologist. What you do on prison board? What you do in a gang thing? You understand? And you is a fucking pathologist. You is a psychopath. Yo, you should have worked at the blood clot, mag, but you're there on prison board. You see the system, I want to take a look in a them two man here. Them two man here picture with me I say no. I want to take a look. I know say we don't have no fraud squad or no C-Talk or no, what you want to call it, Inticom like Jamaica and them place there. But the system need to take a look into them two man here and them illicit activities. Now plastic face, 2 face 6. Me I come for you in a pussy. Me I load your blood clot 5. So I want the people them stay tuned, cause you see you, me I come directly to you, Mr. Two-Face. Now, you see before me go, we are go back over this. Him kill the youth, we live with him grandmother for the Canadian weed. Him kill the Trinidad man. You understand, for him weed and drugs. And the people them at Trinidad upset. You see the Trinidad artist Benjai come out and talk about it. You understand? Him kill the woman up a rock hall. Time go for the woman's son, and the woman's son never did it. And him kill the woman. Pussy, you can't run down your mother yard. You can't go a Capri State batty boy, bottom feeder, you and Scarecrow. And you can't go out round a grocery let. Cause the man them no want you around there. So pussy, me I bring everything to the forefront. You see when me done with you, I run where you have to go run where. You have to go a Martinique. You understand? Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. I'm out. Pussy, me I come for you. Before we get into the video, I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff, and any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go.